Delta Ursae Majoris, also named Megrez, is a star in the northern circumpolar constellation of Ursa Major, with an apparent magnitude of +3.3. It is the dimmest of the 7 stars in the Big Dipper asterism. Parallax measurements yield a distance estimate of 58.4 light-years from the Sun. Stellar properties. Megrez has 63% more mass than the Sun and is about 1.4 times its radius. It has a stellar classification of A3V, which means it is an A-type main-sequence star that is generating energy at its core through the nuclear fusion of hydrogen. It shines at 14 times the luminosity of the Sun, with this energy being emitted from its outer envelope at an effective temperature of 9,480 K. This gives it the white hue typical of an A-type star. This star has an excess emission of infrared radiation, indicating the presence of circumstellar matter. This forms a debris disk around an orbital radius of 16 astronomical units from the star. This radius is unusually small for the estimated age of the disk, which may be explained by drag from the Poynting-Robertson effect causing the dust to spiral inward. It has 2 faint companions, a 10th magnitude star and an 11th magnitude star, both at an angular separation of 2 arc-minutes from the primary. Megrez is a marginally outlying member of the Ursa Major moving group, an association of stars that share a common motion through space and likely formed in the same molecular cloud. The space velocity components of Delta Ursae Majoris in the galactic coordinate system are equals kms-1. Nomenclature. Delta Ursae Majoris is the star's Bayer designation. It bore the traditional name Megrez, MRZ, and the historical name Kaffa. Megrez comes from the Arabic al-Megrez, the base. Professor Paul Kunitz has been unable to find any clues as to the origin of the name Kaffa, which appeared in a 1951 publication, Atlas Chile by Czech astronomer Antonín Bekvar. The Hindus knew this star as Ati, one of the 7 rishis. In Chinese, meaning Northern Dipper, refers to an asterism consisting of Delta Ursae Majoris, Alpha Ursae Majoris, Beta Ursae Majoris, Gamma Ursae Majoris, Epsilon Ursae Majoris, Zeta Ursae Majoris and Eta Ursae Majoris. Consequently, Delta Ursae Majoris itself is known as and namesakes. Ursa Megrez was a United States Navy Crater-class cargo ship named after the star.